Hey guys, today we are going to look at table charts in Google Sheet. Now, table charts would be mostly used to turn a spreadsheet table or data into a chart that can be sorted and paged. This is the maximum use of a table chart that you have in Google Sheet. Let's understand this quickly. Uh, Suppose I have this data of employees with their salaries. And I want to create a table chart for all of them. I'll just make all the salaries as values. Now, what we can do is we can select this data, go to chart from the formatting bar or go to insert chart, and you get a bar chart straight away because that's a default chart. It will land on to given the name and the values that we have as a salary. But we wanted the table chart. So you go to chart type on the right hand side box, scroll down till we get to the table chart. Yes, and we click on the table chart. Now you see here, the data is the same, which is available on the Google Sheet as to here. But as I told you earlier, there are two things that you can do with it. Either you can sort the data directly from here, which you cannot do without selecting it from the data panel. I can directly click on the headers, yeah, and it has got sorted descending order. Again, if I click on the same header, it will sort me in the ascending order. Same goes for salary. Same goes for salary. If I click on salary header, it will sort in descending order and again in ascending order. If I had to do for full-time employees, yeah. So this is one of the use of having a table chart. Yes. The another use of having a table chart is when you go to customize. Yes. Now we need to understand the customization because there's only one customize option available for table chart as compared to other charts that we have seen earlier. If you go to a table chart, I have this option. So you see there are colors. So this is grayed out, this is white out, grayed out, white out. So it is saying as alternate row. If I do not want these colors, I just remove it. So there is an alternate row color so that you can bifurcate between the rows. If I want the row numbers to be available here, I'll add the row numbers. So here is the row numbers that have come in. Yeah. Now, how you want to sort the chart? As we did, we can click on the headers as well. We can have this sort done from here. So I can, if I want to sort it on salary, and if I want, by default, it is descending. Yes, so it is descending. If I want to sort it in ascending order, I will just check this box. So it is in ascending order now. The second important option that we have in table chart is the pagination. So just keep an eye at the bottom of the table. As soon as I click on pagination, it had paged the record. So it is pagination means for every page, it has kept the page size as 10 records. So only 10 records will be available. And the next 10 would be available on the second page. So that is what is called paginated. So if I click on this arrows here, I can move between the pages. So I click on the arrow, it had gone to the second page where the other two records are. Yes. So this is how you can paginate your record. So this pagination is specifically used to page your specific record. If I can put 12 records in one page. Yes, so all my records are in one page now. Or I can just go to the page size and say 5 records. So I'll get 3 pages. Yes, in each page I have 5 records. Yes, 2 and the third. Yeah. So this is how you use table charts. We can have many more things to be done in it. You can extend the page size, you can sort, yeah. So these are the two common functions that could be used in page reports. Yeah. Alternative, there is one more thing that I have seen. Suppose I want to see how many full-time employees, how much they are earning. So what I can do is I can go to name, I can change the series to full-time employees. I'll change this, I'll remove this as of now. I do not want the full-time employees here, so I'll remove it. And if I want full-time employees and I'll just remove the pagination as well so that we see it on one page. Yeah, so I just remove the employee name and I want the total of non-full-time employees and full-time employees. So I'll say aggregate over here. If I aggregate, so it gives me a total of what total salary of full-time employees and part-time employees as well. Yes, so it is getting total. You can see aggregated. Yes. So this is how you can use chart, table chart. Hope this helps you in making beautiful reports. Thank you.